Alright folks, today I got for sale is the iRobot Roomba 530 model. This Roomba is in great shape, it works great, everything has been tested, make sure everything works correctly. It does come with a brand new battery, and I'll show you quickly what I got here included. So first of all is the charger power adapter, and docking station, all pretty good shape. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures, and if you have questions, let me know. So here's your Roomba itself. So like I said, it's used, it's not new, so you might see a little bit of scuffs here and there, but otherwise it's in great shape. On the pictures, you might see a little more detail of the bumper area. But here you go. I'm gonna flip it over, other side. So first of all, we've got a six-legged brush here, which is in great shape. The front wheel's in pretty good shape here too. And I'm gonna remove the dustbin so you guys can look inside. Alrighty. So here's the dustbin and vacuum bin. Everything has been cleaned out and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice clean Roomba. There's a serial number in case anybody interested in. The brushes here also have been cleaned and disinfected. They do show, little signs of wear, but should last you for a pretty long time still. Probably give another year or so at least before changing them. The gears on this clean head module also have been cleaned out and re-lubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. So I'll show you guys how it works. Like I said, it does come with a brand new battery. Right now I have a used battery in here, so I can show you guys that it works. So here you go. I'm going to do a straight run. That way you guys can see that the bumper sensors work correctly. Like I said, everything has been tested, so here's a straight run right here. Alright, thanks for watching.